Hey, welcome back to another video of how to fix online. In this video, we are going to learn how to fix login problems with Centier application. If you are having trouble logging in, here are some steps you can try. First, make sure your application is up to date. Open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for your application. If there is an update available, you will see an update button. Tap on it to update the application. Once the update is completed, open the application and try logging in again. If updating the application didn't solve the issue, the next step is to restart your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix underlying issues that might be preventing the application from working correctly. If you are still facing login issues, try reinstalling the application. To do this, delete the application from your phone and then reinstall it from App Store or Google Play Store. This can help clear out any corrupted files that might be causing the problem. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if the login issue is related to your network. Also ensure that your phone's operating system is up to date. Sometimes, compatibility issues between an outdated operating system and the application can cause login problems. Go to your phone settings, check for system updates, and install any available updates. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's time to reach out to customer service. They may provide you with further troubleshooting steps and help you solve the problem. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.